Hello kids, welcome back to our channel. Today we're writing capital letter alphabets and numbers. Stay with us. First we're opening colors. Wow, so many colors. Warm gray color. Kids, the next one is vivid purple color. Stay with us. Black color. Wow, so many colors. Yellow, green color. Rose, beige color. Kids, the next one is baby blue color. Stay with us. Yellow color, yellow color. Now you open the color of deep olive green color, and the next one is vivid green color. So many colors. The next one is pale pink color. Yes, cream color. Wow. Kids, the next one is geranium color. Stay with us. Persian blue color. Now we open the color of light violet color, and the next one is, yes, pastel pink color. The next one is scarlet color, and the last one is raw silk color. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P. Numbers 1 to 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and the last one is 10. Now start writing alphabets and numbers. First we're using the color of uranium, and now we're writing the alphabet of A. And the next one is B. B for ball. Now we're writing the alphabet of C. C for cow, C for cat. D for dog, D for doll. The next one is E. E. E for egg, E for elephant. The next one is F. F for fish, F for fan. Stay with us. F for fish, F for fan. Now we're writing the alphabet of G. G for God. And the next one is H. H for hand. H for hand. Now we're writing the alphabet of I. Yes, black color. I. The next one is J. J for jackfruit. K. And the next one is L. L for lion, L for lemon. Yes, now we're writing M. M for moon. The next one is N. N for nez. And the next one is O. Now we're writing P. P. P for penguin. Now we're writing numbers. 1. O-N-E. 1, 2. And the next one is 3. 4. F-O-U-R. 4. 5. F-I-V-E. 5. The next one is 6. S-I-X. 6. 7. S-E-V-E-N. 7. 8. And the next one is 9. And the last one is 10. TEN 10. Thank you so much for watching.